It's not a fight but persuasion. We set our winner in your lungs, spitting off the Hoover Dam. Fly our flags, display no say we're acting American.
Submit unto me, submit unto our ways. Submit unto me, submit unto our ways.
From Torian to Yucatan, we look up into your land. Wet my back swimming up your ass, scrub clean with desert sand. Cop Gloria to your herds as we shovel after them. Kiss my fingers, cross myself at the waves of Americans.
Submit unto me, submit unto our ways. Submit unto me, submit unto our ways.
We are sorry for your American ways. We are sorry for your American
His back is collar I do ring. Sound it makes how you treated us. This pain to you I bring. I plans to meet my southern brother each and every spring. To learn a song, the progress gauge on who needs submitting.
Submit unto me, submit unto our ways. Submit unto me, submit unto our ways.
I whisper in a mongrel's ear, his head begins to ring. He yammers through the holes you made, each night your curses sing. When winter breaks, I'll meet my northern brother who'll be king. But I'm the one with all the songs and power submitting.
Submit unto me, submit unto our ways. Submit unto me, submit unto our ways.
We are sorry for your American ways. We are sorry for your American ways.
I hereby renounce my full fidelity.
I hereby renounce my full fidelity.
Not loyal to my foreign prince is now my enemy.
Not loyal to my foreign prince, he's now my enemy.
I submit to this oath of obligation so freely.
I submit to this oath of obligation so freely. So God help me, God help me, God help